Listen, exercise 2.6. This is sum number 11. If S1, S2, S3 and so on Sm are the sum of the n terms of M, APs whose first term are 1, 2, 3 and so on M and whose common difference are 1, 3, 5 and so on 2M minus 1 respectively, then show that S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus and so on Sm this equal to 1 by 2 Mn into Mn plus 1. Right? This is given is what means S1, S2 and so on Sm are sum of the n terms of MAPs. N terms we are having. So, in the board I written given that S1, S2 and so on Sm is a series sum of n terms up to M, Sm. So, n terms we are having. We don't know how many terms we are having. So, n terms, sum of n terms. And then in question they are given whose terms are 1, 2, 3 and so on M. First term are 1, 2, 3 and so on M. Then common difference 1, 3, 5 and so on 2M minus 1. 2M minus 1. Show that S1 plus S2 plus S3 and so on M is equal to 1 by 2 Mn plus M plus 1. So, see the question. S1, S2, S3 and so on Sm are sum of the n terms of AP whose first terms are 1, 2, 3. First terms are 1, 2, 3 means for S1 the first term is 1, S2 the first term is 2, S3 the first term is 3. Like that we have to need take and whose common differences are 1, 3, 5. So, by the question for S1 the first term will be 1. Common difference 1. For each term they are given in the question itself. For suppose you are taking S2 means the first term will be 2. Common difference 3. So Sm means the first term will be M. The common difference will be 2M minus 1. So I written here first term, that is what? A. Common difference means D. Right? The given terms fully A. The given terms will be D for S1 to Sm series. So, for each term they are given. These are S1. For S1, first term will be 1. Common difference will be 1. For second term, first term will be 2. Common difference will be 3. Sm, first term will be M. Common difference will be 2M minus 1. So, like that we have to take. Right? Show that we add means we are getting 1 by 2 Mn into Mn plus 1. Right? So, these are the given question. Like this we have to written in your answer sheet and then what we have to do? We need to find the S1 and S2 and so on Sm. So, we add means the formula is Sn equal to n by 2 A plus L. And you know the formula for Sn series. Sn equal to n by 2 A plus L. Why we are using this formula means we know the first term and last term. First term, that is A and L we are having means A and L terms we know means just we add that and we get the answer. Right? So, in this formula only we need to use. So, we need what? A and L we need. What is N? Right? So, given Sn equal to n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. S1 equal to, I take S1 series. S1 first term is what? 1. Common difference is what? 1. So, n by 2 into 1 only. Just to write 2 because A equal to what? 1 plus n minus 1. D equal to what? 1 So no need write. Right? Don't apply for n equal to 1. Right? So we need to find the first term. So S1 equal to, we need to write the answer in the first term and common division we need to apply. So for A equal to 1, suppose the written 1 means 2 into 1, here also 1 we are having. So in answer no change. So just you write 2 plus n minus 1. Right? Or you want means for reference you write like this. This equal to n by 2, 2 into 1 2, n minus 1 into 1 same thing, 2 minus 1 1, n by 2 into n plus 1. This is the answer for S1 for term 1. For S1 series term 1, given first term and common difference, we find the answer for this S1. So, but we need first term and last term we need, no need to find S2, S3 and so on and all. So, straightly you find SM, because the last term will be here what? SM. The same thing, n by 2. Here S1 means n by 2 only. Don't substitute the value in n. Right? So now SM means n by 2, 2 into A. Here A is what? SM equal to M. So 2 into M. 2M plus n minus 1 into D equal to what? For SM. This is A, this is D. 2M minus 1. 2M minus 1. Right? This equal to n by 2, 2m plus n into 2m, 2mn, n into minus 1 minus n, minus 1 into 2m minus 2m, minus 1 into 1 plus 1. This equal to n by 2 plus 2m minus 2m, 2m n minus n plus 1. This is SM. So S1 is first term, SM is last term. S1 is first term, SM is last term. But we need to find what? S1 plus S2 plus S3 and so on, SM series we need. So first term and last term we add means we get the answer. So SN formula is what? N by 2 A plus L. This is formula for first term is last term is we know means they are given means we need to use this formula. Right? So SN. Here SM series we need to find it up to SM. So SM equal to M by 2. A is what? N by 2 n plus 1. N by 2 n plus 1 plus L equal to n by 2 2mn minus n plus 1. This is A, this is L, first term, last term. For this is we need to find SM series, so I here put SM. So m by 2. This equal to, here we are having n by 2, here also we are having n by 2. M by 2, I take n by 2 as common, remaining n plus 1, here 2mn minus n plus 1, this will be cancelled, mn by 4, mn 2 into 2 4, 2mn 1 plus 1 2, Now I take here 2mn plus 2. I take 2 as common. Mn by 4. I take 2 as common means Mn plus 1. 2 times we cancel means Mn by 2. Mn plus 1. This is we need to prove 1 by 2 Mn plus 1. So we get the answer. This is very important 5 mark. So by the given series we need to find S1 and then last term is Sm, and then we apply the formula for finding the sum of the series. We need to put the formula and apply, we get the answer, right? Thank you.